really looking forward to working with you and seeing you again. After so much in Melbourne and your amazing classes, it's really an honor for you to come back. I think not just me, I think the whole Singapore is just like waiting for you to get your ass here. So I really can't wait to see you. Just, yeah, get down, come down. We'll party, we'll have fun, we'll eat Singapore food, say Singlish lah. Yeah, so see you soon.
Hey Leroy, what's up? This is Jasper. I just have to say I'm so excited to learn from you, and the whole Singapore is so excited about you coming and giving us a workshop. And yeah, really excited. So can't wait for you to come here.